welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. So in my email, I got notification that Hyundai is doing a trunk latch recall. My car is a 17 Sonata Hybrid, and it said in the email notification that it was certain years and potentially other Hyundai products as well. And this is for Hyundais only. So I'm going to show you the recall number, and so here it is. Recall number 21V as in vote 619000, and it's recall number 208, and this is from NHTSA.gov, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA.gov, and my printing and writing is atrocious, so I'll give you the number one more time here. 21V as in vote 619000, and it's recall number 208. And what, I'll hold that up again at the very end, but in short, what the recall is referring to: initiating a recall campaign number 208, non-compliance recall to repair a trunk latch assembly in certain model year Hyundai Sonata, Sonata Hybrid, Azera, and Accent vehicle in the U.S. and Canada. Conducting this action to ensure the safety and compliance of its vehicles for all customers. And I won't bore you with the rest. In short, it says that something can malfunction in the trunk latch, where if a person is trapped inside, the trunk will not open, and the emergency release inside the trunk will not operate as well, which I referenced that in my Sonata Trunk Won't Open How to Get In video, that I replaced my trunk latch with, bought 2 Amazon trunk latches, like 38 bucks total I think it was. But I noticed the old one, when I was messing with it before replacing it, the emergency release would not work, and I referenced that as well in that video. So check out NHTSA.gov, and you'll input your VIN and go under recalls, I believe it was, and it'll show if your vehicle is a subject of this recall. And it says at the very bottom, remedy not available. I can only speak for myself that I could have gotten a trunk latch from the dealer. They wanted, I think, $105, so I can't speak for anything else, but just wanted to make this alert available that yes, there is now a recall on Hyundai trunk latches, and I would guess contact your local dealer to see what they have as far as a remedy for this recall after checking with NHTSA.gov. One last time, recall number 21V as in vote 619000, and its manufacturer recall number 208. And this recall for my specific VIN off the NHTSA website is dated August the 6th of 2021. So just wanted to bring this to the awareness of the public. And as usual, thanks for stopping by. Hope you'll help my channel grow. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next week, we'll see you then. Upload schedule, usually when possible, between noon and 6 on Saturday afternoons. Until next time, thanks for stopping by. Hope you come back.